The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD, child safety locks, bucket seats, MP3 player, CD player, trip computer, passenger airbag, auxiliary audio input, brake assist, daytime running lights, rear head airbag. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.